Hello guys, hi, I'm Gurdit. It's going to be my first time doing a weekly recap of what's going to be happening in the next week trades. So it's going to be a weekly thing that I want to start off, that I write down all my journals in a video format, so it'll be more easier for me to understand what happened when I rewatch it back again, and what I did mistake, and what was the changes happened from my own trading platform, from my own trading journal. Sorry. So today's agenda of my video is going to be very simple. It's about how I'm going to prepare myself for the next week's trade, right? What do I see in the charts? What are my plans are? How I'm going to take trades, and what do I do before I make all the plans? So let's begin, guys. So first thing first, this is like a MetaTrader 4 as MetaTrader 5 gold chart. So I am looking into a gold trading setup for next week plan. And before I start all my plans, I want to first thing I clear all my charts, clear all my objects, the trend lines and everything. However, for this first video I'm making, I will not like to do that because I don't want to redo and start everything again, because it's 11:15. I need to hit bit because I'm working tomorrow. But just for today's video, let's just say there's no objects or trend lines is placed, and I'm here to guide you guys. So before we start any charting or anything, we need to look into the higher time frame. I always recommend my fellow friends who are traders that whenever you guys are looking into trading, always go to the higher time frames, because that's where you can see the most picture clearing. So how do I do this using my phone? Where I just go to the horizontal view. I change my charts to line charts, so it'll be more easier, and I go to the monthly if you can. So now when I go to a monthly, we can start identifying all the resistance and supports. We can see all the way. Right now we can't see much support resistance because price has already breached those areas. So let's just focus on smaller time frame. Yes, you will argue and say me, yes bro, that's a trend line over that, you can see a resistance over here and resistance over here. Yes, you can put it. However, I have already placed this actually, you know what, I actually can put two trend lines, because this trend line is pretty strong, to be honest. It's a monthly resistance, because I use it for my daily resistance because of the purple. Let's just, guys, I forgot to mention that my trend lines have different colors, and different color means different time frame. So purple, it's my daily time frame, and green, or you can say darkish black, are those my weekly time frame. However, now I'm looking to monthly time frame. I'm gonna have a different color to it. So I'm gonna place this here, click on properties, and pick and color for my chart. Let's just keep this color. This color seems like a nice color for the monthly, something that we won't often see it. So sorry. No, this is not the one. I probably need to zoom in. Okay, I think this is the one. Yes sir. Amazing. So I'm gonna put these two colors, and I will always remember that this is actually a monthly and a daily time frame color, because I will remember. So now we can see we have plotted two areas, which is monthly support and resistance. It's good both areas. I love it. And these are the same area where I already highlighted the area. It's fine. Now let's go to weekly. So we zoom out again one more time, and then we look into all the spots. Still, you can see that I already placed few support resistance. One is here, a weekly here. You're probably wondering why so high, because I just wanted to put something there just to know that okay, that's a resistance there in case price decided to be very he wants to go back upwards. I know there is an area of demand there. And another one will be right now, which is touching. You can see over here it's touching. This is another place where price actually did touch, and then it bounces back down. and now we can see there's nothing more in my eyes. So I want to proceed to the next time frame, which is daily. So zoom out again clearly, and you can see wherever I point the plant, wherever I put my resistance earlier, price is exactly touching that spots because it's now we're breaking out to small points. Price is touching. I'm sorry guys if I'm very fast, don't worry, this is just a first video. I'll always going to be posting a next video and it will be way better. So let's just keep it up with what I have right now. So now let's go to 4 hours time frame since I want to break it down further. And here you go. Well, you can see how amazing the monthly resistance is. Do you guys remember if like earlier I put the trend line for the monthly, right? And you can see how price did respected those area for last week pairs. Price touches the, oh my god, it touches right at the bottom, and it just bounce up. Like, that's really cool. Price just bounce up, and now it failed to touch the other resistance. It's fine, it happens. And now it actually did touched, and it bridged, caused a fake out, and it went down and it went up back again. So now we already know all the points where price is going to be touching. We understand RSI, how its price is moving towards monthly, weekly, and daily. I love seeing the more higher time frame. We can see price is actually in a behavior of it's still making decision either it wants to break upwards or downwards. This is why I have a trend line there. I'll explain you why I have a trend line. Alright, so now let's just change from trend line, let's just change from the line chart to the actual charts. So here all my demand area where I created, like, price will always be respecting these major areas, and you can see we have like one stronger price demand here. Second price demand ever since price had broke this area and created another Shaba resistance upwards for the upward side. And now we can see we have got supply, another supply here. So now you're probably wondering, so what's happening, what's price is actually doing. So what I did, I went to my daily time frame. I saw like this price is just going downwards, so I decided to put a trend line just to be sure what price is reacting and how it's respecting this area. So I just put a proper trend line. You probably say, hey, it's not really straight and everything. Yes, it happens sometimes. Our trend line would not be same, not be like accurate, but however we understand what's actually happening, that is more important. So once I've done that, you can see price is in a very, look at that. You thought that you are your trend line is correct, but actually it's not. It happens, see. So you just correct it one more time, because when you put in the bigger time frame, the chart candlesticks are different. So when you break it down, you can see it's getting more closer to the trend line style and everything, where we see on textbook it happens. So yeah, so now you're probably wondering what my price is going to do. Is it going to go upwards or downwards? In my observation, I feel price is about to do this. All right, first, and then price is going to do this. All right, and you'll be like, what? Then the price is going to do this one last try, I believe, and then price gonna straight head up and go to back to this demand, this major resistance. It can be, this is scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is price can bridge upwards to this. All right, let's mark this color black. Oh no, I'm too far sometimes. I'm just fucking everything up. So okay, I'll correct return. And price gonna do. Let me see if I can get it. Oh yes, I did got that. Sorry, guys. Next time I'll use trading view. It'll be more easier. Just forgive me for my clumsiness. And then price gonna do this. And then price gonna do this. So remember, guys, we have two scenarios. We just have to see how price rejects this area of demand. If we can see price gonna do that or not. Alright, we want to see this area, these two areas. If price breach out here and close above the trend line and above here, we can see price going to be positively going to go upwards. It's going to come down here, we're going to re-enter back here, and price going to go upwards. If price didn't manage to close above this line, it shows that price is still wants to head down, come to this area, and then it can go here and come down. So you're wondering, how do I enter a trade? So you can enter a confirmation trade over here. So you can do a scalping quick one here to here. If happens, you can give a try. It's called like taking a risk. And then you can take another order here, and then you can just push the price down here, and that'll be done. You're done with your trade. And if you are more adventurous, you can always take another trade here, and you can expect price to go back here or here, and then it's gonna go down. So I don't over predict everything, or like I'm a guru. So this is just my observation. I feel what can happen, because by looking at the weekly time frame, we can see we are in a 50 MA. Price can do a very hard and pop. It's gonna go down. It can show us another trend where it wants to go. You probably wonder, oh, the candlestick looks like it's going to go upwards. There's a strong bull. Yes, definitely, because it's a monthly support, so price has been bought up. However, we can also still need to look into the structure of the market, what it's actually trying to do. We can draw another trend line just in case you guys want to be more confirmation of what's going to be happening. Let's just say we put this here. Oh, we can't do this. It's ugly. See, we can't do anything yet. We're still waiting for a decision what price is going to do. Let's just say price this. I don't expect so much. I'm just going to leave it like what I see and follow my plan. It's about following the plan, nothing else. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this explains a lot for those people who are interested. This is just the first video of mine of what's going to be happening for next week's trade, and I'll do a recap next week and showing you how did it turn out, and what price actually did. And I just let you guys know that I'll try to trade along with this week, because I'm also working and my works have been changed. A lot of structure has just happened this week, changes as a new merge happened in a company, so it's going to be very hard for me to trade during the days, but I'll give it a try. I'll still have my charting and everything, because I'm practicing how to trade properly and handle risk management. So we'll go through all this stuff, how I'm progressing, and how's my trades are going, and what's going to be happening with my trading journey. Alright, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you find this useful. Don't worry, the next video is going to be way more proper, way more accurate the way I speak. Right now it's just the first try. I'm just giving myself a support, like how it's actually going to be working like this. So stay tuned for more videos. Bye, guys.